Transform the way you prep your meals with the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 Blade Vegetable Chopper. This powerhouse kitchen tool makes slicing, dicing, and chopping faster, easier, and safer. With its versatile interchangeable blades and sturdy design, you can effortlessly create restaurant-quality cuts right at home, saving time while keeping your counters clean and your prep stress-free. The original Pro Chopper, another well-marketed lower-quality white/black model, claims to be the original. More restaurants use Mueller than all the others combined because of our quality. Effortlessly chop, slice, and dice your ingredients with ease using our tough-as-nails chopper. It's simple to use, set up, and clean, saving you time and energy during meal preparation. 8 awesome blades for the price of 4, 2 different-sized chopper blades and 6 interchangeable blades for slicing, julienne, grating, shredding offer the functionality of multiple kitchen tools in just one, highly versatile, kitchen gadget. The high-quality stainless steel blades will create perfectly chopped onions, tomatoes, and peppers for salsa, or shred an entire cabbage for coleslaw in no time. Unmatched quality, free up countertop space with the food container. Use the food holder while cutting small vegetables and fruits. This prevents food from slipping while slicing it. It also makes it clean, safe, and easy to work with. No more hassles of washing and wiping. Dismantle it and just put it in dishwasher. Cleans easily in minutes with the complementary scrubbing fork. Make incredible meals in half the time. Busy lifestyles make us fall into the fast food trap. It can take a lot of time and effort to dice, chop and slice the ingredients of a desired dish. Do not despair. Our multifunctional tool makes this process less time-consuming, making it easier to add vegetables to your meals. Live customer care. Talk to us via our toll-free number or live chat, not by email like our competitors. Mueller believes in making life easier, better, and more enjoyable in all that we do. Our unparalleled 24/7 live telephone customer support is ready and waiting to assist with anything you need. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen game, the Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper is the tool you've been waiting for. Say goodbye to messy chopping boards and uneven cuts and hello to precision, speed, and simplicity. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.